Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I shall be showing you this peculiarly small box while enjoying a lovely cup of builder's tea. And yes, this is a proper brew. It's milky as hell and it's strong enough to stand a spoon up right into. It's been steeped into oblivion. Cheers guys. Ah, delicious. Reminds me of my time in the UK. So, let's go take a look at this piggy. Looks like I can actually very easily unbox it this time. Because I don't see any tape. And yes, inside is an even smaller box. It's security checked by Elliot, no less. Ooh. Okay, so let's have a look at this. And yes, you're probably going to laugh at the contents. And yes, inside we have an even smaller box. Get rid of these. Oh, that's fine. Whatever. Sorry about the bells, and you may hear the occasional birds as well. I think the blackbirds are nesting. So, inside we have this. It is just what you think, a single key keyboard. I guess it's basically a macro pad in a way. And yes, before you ask about the the interesting color, he said lilac was the only color he had left in stock. So I said, yeah, sure, that's fine. So in here should also be a stabilizer, that's what I was looking for, and I kind of had hoped that there was also an enter key in here, if I'm honest, but I don't see one. I guess I'll have to get one in a sec. Anyway, that's really nice. I think I recognize this. So, this was sent in by James from Alchemist Keyboards, or is it Alchemy Keyboards? Alchemist Keyboards, yes. It's a very nicely machined piece of aluminium with oh, it's linear, man. You should definitely. I'm definitely gonna put something super clicky in here. But I think this card looks very much like it was inspired by the American Psycho business card scene, which is an amazing scene. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. Oh yeah, and here's the cease and desist order that he got at some point, written on the back of the card. So imagine writing a cease and desist letter on the back of your business card. That's just a flex somehow. Let's see. We are writing to formally demand that Alchemist Keyboards immediately cease and desist from using the design, naming structure, and meme model associated with the ISO keyboard, which is protected under our intellectual property rights. Failure to comply with this request will result in legal action to protect our rights. Black Simon 2023. Well, I guess he kind of wiped his ass with that. Very nice. Still some football cheering outside as well. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's really it. So this must be the fastest unboxing in history. So the way I ran into this was at a keyboard meetup in the Netherlands. I think it was not the last one, but the one before that. So James told me that the more he slags off on this product, the more people seem to want to buy it. And he called it the worst keyboard in the world. And me and another guy who was listening to him said, what the fuck are you talking about? This is clearly amazing. This is a fantastic product. What are you... This is amazing. I want it. So that's when we arranged to have one of these sent in to me. It was a while ago by now, but, you know... still, that's really cool. I do need to find an enter key though. I'm gonna pause the video for a second just to make it a little bit more presentable, and I guess I have to clip these stabilizers in as well. Sorry, professional deformation. Delicious. So, okay, listen, I get it. The switch is lilac as well. I get it, right? And the keyboard is lilac. I get the idea, but this thing, whatever flavor of ice cream it's named after, I guess raspberry ripple or something silly like that, this is not what you need in a keyboard like this. You need zlPC clickies. So I grabbed an OG cherry keycap from an old board, and that's what this is supposed to sound like. Yes, excellent. Oh man, this is basically a fidget toy already. Excellent. Oh man, people at work are gonna hate me tomorrow. So nice. That's one thing I picked up during my time in the UK. Tea. And then we also have a couple of screws and an Allen key as well in here. I'm guessing that's for the... Yeah. Oh, no. Sorry. I spoke too soon. It's not an Allen key. It's a Torx key. But there are normal screws in here, which are not Torx, it seems. And there's two ball bearings in there. What the actual fuck? What the shit? Okay, I have no idea about that. I didn't put the stabilizer in yet, by the way. I'll need to take the whole thing apart. Which I'm not going to do quite yet, but I think, yeah, it's actually remarkably stable. I can press it all the way here and I don't notice anything. That's surprising, but not unwelcome. I must admit, I'm a little bit surprised it doesn't come with an enter key by itself. Well, an enter keycap by itself, but well, you can stick on whatever flavor of enter key you want, I guess. That is nice. This is such a cool product. I know it's silly and it's shockingly expensive as well. I forgot how much it was, but it's not exactly cheap. But come on, this is amazing. What the fuck? Excellent. I love it. Now we just need an even bigger version of this with one of those huge switches. Oh man, that would be amazing. An even better product. Nice. So there's another idea for you, James. Anyway, this is a very fast unboxing, but it's really just one key, so I guess it was never going to be a particularly long one. Still, that's really cool though. This will definitely get a review of its own, probably also going to be a short review, and I'm not quite sure when I'll be able to get to it. Frankly, this unboxing will have covered most of it on already, but still, you know, this is just a fun product. I'll make a little video about it at some point. Well, anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.